Hello viewers! Today we want to teach you how to make Afang soup. You will enjoy it. Just keep watching. Alright, the major ingredient you need is this water leaf.
Yeah, this particular type is the real water leaf. This one that have the small tiny leaves, doesn't have too much water on it, is the best to use for the afang soup.
Good, the dry water leaf. The next leaf you will need is this Afang. The Igbos call it Okazi. The Akwa Iboms call it Afang. You would have to ground it or you pound. Just watch out. You put it in a mortar, pour in a mortar. That's if you don't want to pound, you put in a mortar. If you don't want to ground or blend, you put in a mortar. I'm a typical Igbo girl, so I would pound it with my mortar. You continue doing this till it blends. Okay, the rest of the ingredients, this is red oil, salt, crayfish, Maggi cube, your meat, pepper, dry fish, alright, can you see the Afang now? It's well pounded. Alright, the next thing we'll do now is to wash our vegetables. You have to wash it very well. And we'll wash very well before we slice. Wash like 2 or 3 times. Okay, so but before you wash your water leaf, you have to remove the hard parts of it and the flowers. You cut off the flowers, remove the hard parts of it. Make sure the ones you are leaving is just the sides that are so easy to cut, not the hard type. So, after washing, the next thing is to slice. You have to slice it very tiny to your tastes, but it has to be very tiny. So when you're done cutting the water leaf, you put in the pot. Put in the fire. Allow the water leaf to steam very well and dry. To make sure that there's no more water in it. You can see the water leaf has dried. It's now dry. There's no more water inside. So you need to steam it until it's dry. That shouldn't be water in the pot. It needs to dry very well. So once the water leaf has dried, the first thing to put is the meat that you've already parboiled. Your meat, chicken, turkey, whatever you want. This is mine. You put it. Pour it and you stir together. The meat, fish, stockfish, all the things that you want to use that you've already steamed together is what you put. First, immediately the water leaf gets dry. You pour it and then you stir together. Then add some water. So after putting your palm oil, you stir. After putting some water, you stir together. And then add your dry fish. Add your red oil. Stir together. Then cover and allow it to steam. Allow it to steam for some minutes. So when it steams, you put your crayfish. When it steams like this, you put your crayfish and your blended scent pepper. This is scent pepper blended together with crayfish. Put it. Stir very well. And cover. Alright, add your salt and Maggi to taste. Okay, the Afang leaf is the last to enter the pot. You can see, well blended. And to me, the best meat for this is red meat or goat meat. First pepper to use for this is scent pepper. That's the end. So you put off the fire after stirring together. So after putting the afang leaf, you stir together and allow it for 2 minutes. Soup is ready.